That was a tough slug up. We're about to enter the belly of the beast. Join us on our journey to Everest. We're hiding from yaks. We begin the trek in Jiri, taking the traditional route with no guide, no porters, only a map. Beginning in Jiri, we'll add an additional 6 days to the Everest Base Camp Trek. We're getting in there now. By walking in, the acclimatization process will be so much easier for us than others. The Joker wanted $5 for a roll of toilet paper. We explore the Gokyo Lakes area. We're definitely over halfway.
Look at that.
We take on the Cho La Pass. We're planning on doing this pass. Our plans have changed.
We're in the tundra.
Between those two peaks is a glacier. And apparently there's some kind of path through there over the glacier. No turning back now. Awesome. The only way I can describe it is just awesome. So we got to get across that glacier, way over the other side there. Respect the beast. This looks like the gravel pit that Fred Flintstone used to work in. Mount Everest. In this video, you'll get a true feeling of what it's like to walk to Everest Base Camp. How hard are the days? How much money will I need? What kind of gear do I need? There are no ATM machines up there, so you need to plan accordingly. Being the money-saving man that I am,
I said no.
I said no, Loch Ness Monster. No toilet paper for you. I know. So get on the bus, Gus. Let's go to Everest Base Camp. So it's day one on our journey to Everest. We're just leaving the town of Chevalea. It's 6:30 in the morning. We thought we'd get an early start. This is the traditional route we're going. We're just leaving Kinja. We got 2 hours ascent straight up. How you doing? It's quite hot, sweating buckets. So I'm going with the Axl Rose headband again today. Soaks up the sweat. That's Durali. We were there yesterday. It is getting difficult now that we're over 3,000 meters. So it's day 3. We spent the night on the Langdren Pass, 3,500 meters above sea level. We got our first glimpse of the white caps of the mountains. You're probably not going to see them on the camera there. It's a chilly morning, but it's going to warm up. We're actually dropping in altitude to about 2,900 meters today. It's going to be mainly a descent. We're quite happy about that. Yesterday was a long, grueling day.
Nearly 2,000 meters upward.
We got some mean looking yak cows. I don't know what they are. I don't know what the hell they are. But they got some mean horns. Look at these guys. It's like looking at the rock.
Can you get off the bridge?
I'm scared.
Get off the bridge.
I'm a little nervous. Jenny's gonna go first because she's a trooper. I'm wearing a red shirt. Did he make a noise? Well, my heart is pumping. Call me a big girl. But these guys, man, they just give you that look. Oxes, they're like the slow guy, the dumb slow guy. He might hit you for no reason. You can see Mount Everest from here.
Over there somewhere.
Yeah, but it's not clear today. It's day 4, staying the night in Ringmu. So we came all the way up to 3,070 meters, and we're going all the way down to 1,650. And from that point on, it's up, 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 up. $109-meter bridge. So we made it to Kalla. It's a long day. We've been at it for a couple hours on day 5. It's been a grueling first 2 hours. Uphill. We're sweating, shirts soaked, everything's wet from sweat. The heat is killing us. There's that white building down there. I'll zoom in. That's where we stayed last night. We're gonna go up and down to get there. This one's tough. I ain't gonna deny it. The old traditional route, Jiri to Lukla, is tough. So we're just pulling up to Pathar. I'm pretty tired. It's taking us a lot longer than we thought. Tomorrow's gonna be a good day because I ate an animal today, and I haven't eaten an animal in 6 days. Feeling really good today. Had some steak yesterday, buffalo steak. The sun is shining. We've been walking this hard trail for 6 days, and finally we're getting some love. So we just had an hour lunch break in Chepalong, and we've now hit the main trail onto Everest, and it is a zoo. First part was tough, but we pretty much had the place to ourselves. Ain't gonna be so here. It's day 7. Stay the night in Bangkok. And these are all the donkeys that carry things up. So we've just entered Sagarmatha National Park, aka Mount Everest Park. Pine forest here. This could be in Northern Ontario. Mine's just a little bit of Mattawa. If you're afraid of heights, you're not gonna like this one. I think you'd soil yourself. I might soil myself. Yakety yak, don't talk back. So this is Namche Bazaar. We're going to stay here for the night. It's the end of part 1. And tomorrow we're heading off to Gokyo Lake. And from Gokyo Lake off to Everest. It should take us about 14 days return. We'll see you in a couple weeks. Day 8. We're just exiting Namche Bazaar. So we're on our way to Gokyo Lakes. It should take us about 4 days to get there. So here we go, on our way. We're getting lots of love today. See Mount Everest. The little guy, not the big one. The little one, that's Mount Everest.
I think they make merino wool from this.
I'm a little better at navigating yaks. I ate one of them last night for dinner, so I think that's why they gave me some space. They know, be careful.
We're surrounded by white caps here.
Pretty clear day. We're just chilling. Take a look around us.
They're running.
If you're scared of heights, you're probably not going to like these too much. Stay in Portsea Tango for the night. It's day 9, we're just leaving Portsea. We got clear skies. We're hiding from yaks. We're hiding from yaks. October 18th, so we're getting autumn weather just like we would back home. I had a yak shaman in Warcraft. In Tole, 4,100 meters above sea level. We're going to stay here for the night. It's day 10, we're going to Machero today. Beautiful day. It's pretty awesome. Not one cloud. Beautiful. Watch yourself, this guy's. Stopped at Machero. We're here for the night. Day 11 on our journey to Everest. We're going to go to Gokyo Lakes at 4,700 meters above sea level today.
4790.
4790, she says. Yeah. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning.
We're in the tundra. It's like straight out of Mad Max.
Mad Max. You have a tundra in Mad Max, right?
Funny, always says you do.
I went to buy a roll of toilet paper. The Joker wanted $5 for a roll of toilet paper. $5 for toilet paper. One roll, man.
No.
That's $5 US, by the way.
$3.50.
Yeah. How do you feel about not having toilet paper?
A little bit scared.
Yeah. Going up over that hill to the foot of that mountain. We're getting in there now. Ooh, I had some yak again last night.
Oh, it was horrible.
It wasn't very good. I got deli belly. Might have to go squat behind a tundra bush. So we made it to Gokyo. Piece of cake. This afternoon we're going to go up there, take a peek at the mountains. So tomorrow we leave Gokyo Lakes and we're off to the main trail that'll lead us to Mount Everest. And hopefully we'll start getting some nice views of that big mountain. And tomorrow we're going to head for a town called Tagnak, where we go over the Cho La Pass, which is going to be quite difficult. We're just watching a few guys come over it and just talked to a fellow that just did it. We won't be doing the Chola tomorrow, but we do have to cross this cluster of shit,
Glacier.
which is a glacier that moves, and it's not the ideal thing that we want to do,
We could go down and come back up.
but it's the quickest route, and there is a bit of a trail. We're gonna roll the dice and try to save some time. It's day 12. We got a 2-hour glacial crossing as we say goodbye to Gokyo Lakes.
Do you hear it crackling? Look at that. It's not every day that you come across a glacier.
Well, there ain't no turning back now. We're in the middle of this bad boy. Once we get through this, there should be a town on the other side. We stay there for the night. And then tomorrow we got the Cho La Pass at 5,300 and something meters above. That's gonna be a tough day. Probably the toughest day we're gonna have in the whole trip. So we made it. We're just on the final ascent out of this glacier. We came from way over the other side.
Way over the other side.
Jenny was worried. How do you feel now?
I feel good. No, I'm
Now
not.
she's an experienced glacier crosser.
No, I'm not.
So if you ever need any tips on how to cross a glacier, contact Jenny. 5:45 in the morning. This will be our most challenging day yet. We're doing the Cho La Pass. Between those two peaks is a glacier. And apparently there's some kind of path through there over the glacier. Pushing our way up the Cho La Pass. And shit is tough. We're now on our way down. Walking on a glacier. That was a tough slug up. As we move across this glacier. This is new. I feel it. I feel it, Jen. Cho La Pass in the bag. Day 14. We completed the Cho La Pass. Had one of the best sleeps ever last night. Both suffering from diarrhea. It's all good. Tabernacle. I went the wrong way. That's why they give me good. So in Gokyo, we're just getting ready to climb up to Kalla Pathar. So here we are, Kalla Pathar, 5,555 meters above sea level. This is the highest this cat's ever going to get. I'd like to introduce you to Mount Everest. So it's day 15.
Day 15!
And we're on our way to Everest Base Camp. So it's day 16. We're on our way back down. It's going to take us a couple days to get down to Namche Bazaar. And then we're a few days hike from there to get back. This is day 17. We got a nice clear day. Beautiful view of Mount Everest from afar. Namche Bazaar. Head back. Time for a Coke and a burger. Let's go. This is day 18. We're just leaving Namche Bazaar. We're heading down. We're going to head to Lukla to see if we can cheat and get a flight out in the next couple days. We don't feel like walking out. Our feet are tired. We've had enough.
That was just an awesome trip. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. If you got any questions or have something to add, comment below. Also check out our EBC Base Camp Trek with Poon Hill right here. Help us out with a like and subscribe. Love you forever.